Hello everyone, I think you are doing well. So today we will talk about REVIT 2024, the new version. We will have to see what is new in this software. So what we can use it, what is the news that Autodesk uh, built to us to build new engineering things like I don't know if you have habit to use your Revit to build in CAD in all your building architectural project. You are welcome on this YouTube channel. I'm very glad to be here today. So I'm from a French country. Like I work between uh, Togo, Côte Ivory Coast, and Senegal. So today I will present this software in English because English is not my my language, but I will try. So just listen and you can see all that you want to know. So let's go. So what is news in I go to the website of Autodesk Revit 2024. So learn about the new features. So the first feature that you have in Revit is the ability to join two motion to Revit for Revit. So before you have to go to put it inside. Now you can do it quickly. So let me just translate this page before because this page regards all elements that you use. I will translate it uh, in English. I don't know if so they refuse to be translated. No problem. So let's go in the software. So I'm in Revit 2024 now. Let me close this page and reevaluate. Let me close. Right. So like how you can see it, Revit changed many things. Okay, this when you come at the base and you open the software, you will see that we have many plenty models, plenty templates. Okay, templates like architectural, structural, electrical, plumbing, and so on. So you can choose what you want and start to build your project. But I will show you the first news, who is the first feature that we have uh, in Autodesk Revit 2024. So let's go. When you want to build a new project, you will see that you can choose the gabarit. The gabarit is the the project that you have to see at the first time. So I will build a construction or architectural project. So let me open. So you can change now you can have the ability to change uh, the 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 visualization. The visualization, like I come in here in option and I can change the color. I can get to light to dark. Okay, light to dark, like light to dark. So when I click, you will see that all things here become dark, and when I do the same things again, you will see that all I go to color, some I go to clear. So you have like this, all things become clear. So it's very important for people who have who use AutoCAD because this AutoCAD all the time is black, is dark. So now you can have the same things in Revit because before Revit is is light, but now you can come it in dark, in dark. Okay, like also like you know and so on. So let's go. Now we have many news. I go to news to see what is news and so on. I will convert it in French, in English. Let me convert in English. So now you have the topo solid. The topo solid, like when you go to the topo solid, let us show you this video. Create a topo solid. It is new, a new thing that we have in Revit. Like what we
In Revit, the site around a building is represented by a topo solid element. You can model a topo solid directly in Revit by establishing elevation points representing contours of the site, or you can also import a CAD file with 3D contour information to create a topo solid.
Exactly.
In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a topo solid directly in your model. The visibility of topo solids may be turned off in floor plan views. So first, open a site view. On the Masking and Site tab, click Topo Solid. Use the tools on the Draw panel to sketch the boundary of the topo solid. In this case, we'll draw a rectangle. Click Finish when the boundary is complete. Now click Modify Subelements to alter the elevation of the points and edges creating the boundary. Select the edge on the left side and use the In-Canvas control to raise it to 6,000. Select the edge on the right, use the control on the ribbon to raise the elevation to 1,000 and press Enter. Now add points to further shape the topo solid. Click Add Point. Choose to add points along the surface with an offset or by an absolute elevation measured from the selected datum. In this example, place contour elevations based on the project base point. Set the elevation as you place the points representing the contours of the site. Notice, as you place points, you can see the elevation of the surface near the cursor. When you're done placing points, click Modify to complete the topo solid. You can see the contours displayed on the topo solid. Contour display is a type property of the topo solid. The layers making up the topo solid are controlled by changing the structure of the topo solid and are visible when the topo solid is cut, like in a section view.
So like you can see that after I put this link in my video, so you can see all the things here. So the topo solid element represent the topographic and site condition of your model. So topo solid are created from imported CAD or CS files. So you can put it from Illustrator, from AutoCAD, from all those software that can import in CAD or CSV files. So you can also create a topo solid by sketching or boundary and adding elevation point whiten the boundary. So topo slides support surface pattern and they assign the material and can be cut by other model geometric tools. So if you want to know about more topo slide tricks, you have to install the new version of Autodesk and to see how you can use it. So let's go at the second news. The second news is the dark theme that I talk about. I just talk about this. So I tell you that it is possible to change the color. So it is easy to do. When you want to do it, just go to Option, Color tab, and use IE active theme. So you can change the color to light, from light to dark, from light to dark. So that is also incredible because you can use it to the alignment surface or pattern. It is also a good news for people who want to do alignment surface pattern and cannot do it before. Now it is possible. So let's understand.
When working with slab elements, you may have a surface pattern to represent a material or condition. In this example, we have a slab with a surface pattern representing tile. You can use the Align tool to shift the pattern if needed. You might want the tile pattern to be aligned to the center to equalize cut tiles on either side. On the Modify tab, click Align, then click the reference point, and then click Align in the pattern to align. When the slab is shape edited, because the different faces are sloping, the surface pattern may become misaligned. When this occurs, it may be useful to use the controls on the contextual tab of the ribbon to align surface pattern on just one face at a time. On the Modify tab, click Align. But this time, before selecting Align for alignment, change the option on the contextual tab to Selected Face. Now, when you align the surface pattern, only the pattern on the one face will be affected. Continuing to align the surface pattern on different faces, you can get closer to the desired result. Depending on the pattern and the slopes involved, you may always have some distortion of the pattern. Switching back to entire surface allows you to again control the pattern across all the faces on the shape edited slab. Use the pattern setting when aligning surface patterns to help you obtain the desired results when a surface has been shape edited.
Nice. So you see that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So the model pattern applied to the shape, and edited element can be aligned with the align tool. So use the control of the contextual tabs to specify what the elements apply across the anti-surface, only apply to the face where the pattern line is selected. In the shape edit surface contain rolled surface, the pattern may appear distorted. So it's very important. So you see, if like how you can see it, you can make the distortion. And if you want to know more about these things, so go to element, and you can see that. So let's go fast to the second news: cat geometry enhancement. Okay, that's very news also. So the following category, the subcategory can now be used to cut and be cut in the project environment. So like toposolid that we talk about right now, ceiling, floor, slabs, edge, roof, fascia, girders, roof soffit, structural foundations, walls, wall sweeps, mass, void, form, and so on. So it's good news also, okay, because we can use it to go quickly and fast than what we do before with REVIT 2023. Let's go. Let's talk about the next Search Project Browser. Search Project Browser. So here is simple. If you want something now in REVIT, a search function is now available to the top of the project browser. So you can quickly check and find what you want in the same time. So the search starts automatically and update relevant results as you type. The magic keyword and keyword in the file hierarchic. So if you want to see, you can see project browser here in the Autodesk website. I will put this version in the bio of my video. Also the shadow revision cloud. So okay, link coordination models, like you can do the link with another software like Navisworks. Like when you work in AutoCAD, in REVIT, you can do the links with Navisworks. Okay, so visual cross-check between model of various disciplines and phases of project in 3D views. Visual compare collaboration models created in REVIT or other modeling tools for coordination purpose. So link Navisworks or link to file form of view in Autodesk Docs. So you can link directly to view from Autodesk Docs without downloading the file to a local resource. So it is like you can put it from here to the second without save the files. View link from Autodesk Docs. I use permission from the Autodesk Docs account to manage access, make it easier to use. The collaboration with IP protection is important. Coordination model views are representatives that provide content for your REVIT model. So that is a good news also. So let's go the snap point for coordination. Here it is very important also. For additional information, go there to see what is news. Access coordination model object property. Yeah, Yeah, I think so. It's a good news. So here you have the ability to select individual coordination objects and access their property without do all those things that we do before in 2023 Revit. Revit dark theme, we talk about this. Use interface modelization also. Yeah. Search browser, we talk about new simple model, new sample model and project. Yes, because if you can see that since Revit 2011, 2020, 20, you know, we don't have another model of project. Like all the time, you have the same model, you have the same project. We don't have another things that can give us the opportunity to learn many things again. So now, what is new? The good news is that new project template is now present in this software. So ask the same model to learn about the future and work. The object project template make starting project and developing your one template easier. So this sample model is an example of mix as project create using Revit. The model show example of how many elements are used to create a project. Example of construction documents as well as coordinate structure, map, site, and point cloud file are included in order to provide a complete model. So use the help icons located throughout the model to learn about specific element and workflow. Demonstrate with the model. Track your progress learning about the sample model wheel. How do I include in the model? So it is a good news also. So if you want more information, let me show you here. So I'm in Revit now, so I can go to see what is new, what's new like project. Let me close the software and reopen it. Like then I can see all the new projects that we have here. I'm very glad to speak in English and to present to you Revit 2024. It's very nice, like a new experience for me, and I think that you like it. You like it. Revit 2024. So how you can see, I open the software, and let you know Revit is the big software. It is the big software, so it's normal that they take the time to open. But if you have a good computer, a good laptop, you don't have any problem. So look like this. It's a project, a big project, architectural project that we don't have before, like in 2022, 2024, 2020, 2021. We don't have this software, this new project, you know. But now it is possible. It is possible to have it in our new Revit project. So let me that show you. Before show you, we can take the time to. I want just to visualize this project for you. So let's see it. You see, it's a new project with a good documentation. Like how you can see how all that stick the views, you know, all things is here. The family, the group, the link, you know, with other the shadow. So let me do a quick presentation in 3D. In 3D, let me show you. Let's go. Wow. So how you can see it, you see it is a good project that is here. So I can modelize him directly in, like, if I can access to Team Motion now. You know, is that also the great opportunity that we have in Revit now. So let's go. After you can use it, try to see what is new. Let's go. We don't have time to. So Dynamo update. Dynamo, if you know Dynamo is the way feature that recommends powerful by machine learning. Like if you can see import and export for siding, graph import to workspace. So the several improvement to node So you can see all those things here and for more information. Okay, so you have plenty news. So I will stop this video here. So if you want more information, so just subscribe in my YouTube channel so I can show you all the time the news that we have in the software. So thank you to take your time with me. I will be happy to do more video in English to explain you how this software is work and to create a new challenge in all this software. So merci à vous. If you want to speak French also, you can go to see my video in French. So you can profit by this to learn also French or another language. I'm very happy and let's go. Ciao.